This is the GLAKER 2-piece set of the beard trimmer and hair trimmer. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. These are really great. Very nice, well-made trimmers. You could just feel very substantial weight here. This is like a very professional grade quality here. USB-C rechargeable right here at the bottom. You power it on, it shows you the power that's left. We got 89% left here. And this has the taper change right here. So these are just really great. I have the number 2 clip on here, and this one has the 1.5 clip. 1/16 inch, but see, this same thing with this one. This is both of these are really nice size. They've got a really cool design on here. These just feel very solid here. You'd see power this one up here, 90% charge, but overall very pleased with these. I've been using them for about a week now, and I'm very happy with them. They give you so many attachments for these, the power cords, different attachments, foil shavers, again, beard trimmer, you name it, it comes with the set. GLAKER is a really great brand. Again, check out this 2-pack. Really great set here.